We're burning belly fat with belly dance. So if you're a beginner, this is the place to be to burn that belly fat with belly dance. And we're gonna start like this with just some hip drops, keeping our knees bent and hips up and down. You can see knees going back and forth. Up and down, that's it, you got it. Nice and lifted, keep your abs in. Knees bent, that is burning, that's taking a lot of energy. Now, I'm gonna go faster with the hips. Fast, fast. Ooh. Trying to keep all this still, so we're burning fat as we hold our core still and move them hips. Put your arms out here, lift. A lot of core action going on, burning that fat, burning that belly fat. I mean, it is belly dance, right? I'm Jensuya, by the way, and this is Bob, playing the doombek. I'm gonna show you from the side. We're burning it. We are burning it. Woo! How are you doing? You can go back to slow. Give yourself a little rest. And from the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and speed it up. Again, burning that fat. Oh yeah. So we can have more dessert. Of course, that's gonna put on the belly fat, but that's okay, burn it. All right, enough of that. Now let's twist it. Woo, take it nice and slow for a minute. If you need to, straighten your legs for a second, but take them back to bent, because that's belly dance, bent knees. Isolating with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo. You ready to speed this one up? A hip shimmy, horizontal hip shimmy, burning that fat. Oh yeah, you feel it? Getting a little stitch right there. Deep breath, bend the knees. Okay, now, this is not a beginner move here, but just give it a try. See, bend both knees, take it down and back up. Down and back up. Can you feel that belly fat just dripping right off of you? And slow, again, giving it a rest, again. Okay, now we're gonna do another move. We're gonna take our hips back and forth like this. See, I'm tucking, release, tuck, release, and really pull those abs in. Pull them in as you take it up. Whoo, boy, building the muscle as well as burning that fat. So, fat burning, long, slow use of energy. And now we're gonna double that speed, still thinking of front. And how are you doing? I know. Knees, bend those knees. Woo! Oh yeah. Now, go faster again. How we doing? Burning some fat up. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay, give it a second here. And now let's just do some hip circles with it. So we'll go around, 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 around. Arms down here. Now, if your arms are tired, you can do here. Burn more fat, you work more, because we're taking more energy to hold our arms up as we work our hips. And let's take it the other way. Around, 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 around. How about arms up here? Around, around, sideways. And you know we're going to go faster with it. Here we go. And around, 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 around. Woo! How we doing? How about one way, the other way? Oh my gosh. Jensuya, you said this was going to be a beginner. Just give it a try. Just burning that fat. Not trying to learn the technique. Just burn that fat, baby. Woo! Shake it out for a minute. All right, let's do up here. Circles. We'll go around, 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 and the other way. Around, 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 the other way. Around, shoulder shimmy. We'll stand on one leg, the other toes pointed. It's gonna be challenging. We'll do shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. So we're just rotating our rib cage. Rotating. Think of that coming from the center. I know we call it a shoulder shimmy, but I'm starting that motion, and I want you to start it also with the ribs. Think of twisting the ribs, because we're trying to burn that fat. Okay, now just for fun, let's just try this challenge of going forward with it and back with it. Forward with it, back. Are you sweating? And back with it. And straight again. Ooh. Now, hips up and down again. How are we doing? Take our arms down, up, down, up. Hold them here. Was that a beginner? No, it wasn't, but I wanted to trust you. See, whew, lots of coordination. Okay, let's do our ribs back and forth, because we just gotta keep moving, keep that fat burning. So we're just sliding the rib cage back and forth, back and forth. And you put your hands there, you can feel those muscles working. Now, even if you have a lot of belly fat to burn, those muscles are still working. In fact, they're working double time because you're moving a lot of insulation. Yay, good for you. Work it hard, work it, side, side, side. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna slide it front and back, Tricky, right? And back, front and back. Now remember, I did say it's beginner. Every once in a while we need a challenge. And the thing is, we're not trying to get perfect technique here. We're trying to get the spirit of belly dance to burn that fat. Front, back. Maybe your move is tiny. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front and back, front and back, front and back. Ready to go back to another shimmy? We're gonna twist it and twist it. Bend those knees. Twist it and faster, 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 faster. Twist and twist and twist, twist and twist, twist and twist. Kind of a slow shimmy here, but we can speed it up. Twisting, horizontal hip shimmy. Twisting, twisting, twisting. Take deep breaths. See if you can lift your chest, but stay relaxed. Twisting here. That core is working. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. There's fat dripping on the floor. Are you getting yours too? I know you are. Woo! Twisting, 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 twisting. Now we're just going to do a step touch and push our hip to the side. Step, push it, 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 step, push it. See, stepping, both knees bent. Now you're burning energy in your legs, your core, trying to keep yourself nice and lifted as you push it, step, 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 push it, step. Little step, push it, step, push it, step, push it, step, push it, step, push it. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to put our foot out front and twist it like this. We'll do step, twist, step, twist, step. Whoa, almost lost my balance there. Step, twist, step, twist, step, twist it, step, fat burn, step, burn it, step, fat burn. Getting a little tongue-tied. Step, twist, step, twist, burn the fat with belly dance. Burn the fat with belly dance. Twist. Let's double the speed on this one. Here we go. Jensuya, you did not double it. I know. Got a little tired. But the fat's still dripping off, right? Now back to hips up and down. I call it a double hip drop. How are we doing? Pretty good? Let's take those faster again. And 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Okay, now keep those hips going. Here's a little challenge. It'll burn some more fat. See if you can take your arms up and down. Oh my gosh. Up and down. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And the ribs. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. How about this? Down, up, tush, chest, tush, chest, tush, chest. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Now you've seen a lot of these moves if you've done our top 10 belly dance moves. They're essentially little workouts too, some of them more challenging. But on this one, we're trying to keep heart rate up and burning fat. Heart rate up and burning fat, and circles, 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 circles the other way, and circles, 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 and the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips, hips and chest, and chest, hips and chest. Really burn it around. Really work it around. And the other way. Hips, chest, hips. Woo! Chest. Are you sweating? Yes. Clean up that fat that's all over the floor. It just dripped off you. Listen. Hips, chest, hips, and chest. Okay. Now, you're getting hot. Now, just for fun, let's just try a little body weight. I know. Keep that heart rate up. We're going to go knees, hips, belly, and chest. Knees, hips, belly, and chest. Feel the burn. Knees, hips, belly, and chest. Knees, hips, belly, and chest. Now from the chest, belly, hips, and knees, chest, belly, hips, and are your quads burning? Chest, belly, hips, and knees. It's really hard to do this and talk. How are we doing? Are we ready just to wrap it because we're dying sweating? So we're going to have Mr. Bob speed it up, do some drum rolls. We're going to end with some really fast shimmies, Bob, if you don't mind. Now I want you to go up on the balls of your feet, one another, and just let everything shake. Let all that good stuff, let that booty fat shake, let that belly fat shake. If you're skinny, let your skin and your bones shake. If you've got a lot of belly fat, woo, let it shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Chest, here we go. And just shake it. Shake it. The other side. And I want you to keep the fun and spirit of belly dance going all day long until tomorrow when we do it again. Go to the channel so you can check out some slower